All right, the next thing I want you guys to know is how to unlink the video from the audio. Since we don't need the audio from this film that we've already inserted into the video here, right-click on the top or the bottom, it doesn't matter, and then scroll down to Unlink. When you click Unlink, you can click on the audio and press delete to get rid of it. See, when you select one part, you'll see the other part is selected too. So you can right-click, scroll down, unlink, and then reselect that audio and press delete. You can select multiple, right-click, unlink, and then you can click and drag to select all the audio to press delete. The next scene has audio, so we don't want to delete the audio. Let's get the next scene, number 4, medium person on right. Let's drag this in and let's bring it over to the left. Do you see where there's a little bit of audio right there? So we know that we have some film right there. So let's scrub through and let's see where we need to go. Okay, there's some right here. So we're going to do what we did before. Let's get the cut tool and let's cut right here, cut here, cut here, cut here, cut here, cut, 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 cut. Get the move tool, press the V, and let's go through here. There's video right there. There's no video here, so I'm going to select this one and delete, and select this one and delete. Let's see if there's any, oh, there's video there. There's none here, and there's none here, so I'm going to do a click and drag to select both of those and delete. And then let's go over to the right. There's none here. Let's delete that. Let's go over to the right. Oh, there's some here. There's some here. And then there won't be any at the end here. So let's click and drag to delete that. Let's go back to the front. And there's going to be right here. Okay, I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see this a little bit better. So we have video right here. And let's get right to the end of that video. And right there, let's get the crop tool and click, get the move tool and delete. Let's scroll over to the right. Let's see if there's some right there, but there's none over here. So let's go right there, over to the right, get the cut tool, let's cut it, get the move tool, click on this part, delete, because the film is on this side. Okay, let's scroll to the right, and we have some more here on the right. Let's scroll over right there, and let's move to the right with the left and right keys. Let's go right there. Let's cut that, press delete. Let's go to the right, and we're going to go right about here-ish. And I'm going to go left and right with my left and right buttons until I see the image, and I'm going to cut there. Let's bring it to the right, and I'm about to say something on that one. So right there, let's go to the left, right, there we go. Click, cut it right there. Get the move tool, click on that, delete that part. Let's over to the right. Let's go to the end of this clip, going over to right about there. Get the cut tool, get the move tool, click on this side and delete it. Let's zoom out. So the only areas that I have audio is right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a click and drag to select these audios. Right click, scroll down, click on unlink, and then click and drag to select them again and delete them. Command S to save. So you're aware, you're just learning how to cut film. I'm showing you how to cut film. You won't have these black areas in your film when you cut your film. It's going to be harder for you because you're going to have to try to figure out where you need to cut and what you need to cut. I have this all planned out so it's easy for you to do. So right now, this is just an exercise for you to learn the shortcut keys and how to cut and move around Premiere Pro. This lesson will continue in the next video.